What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Dirt Exhibition. We got the Ranger in the shop today. Today we are doing an alignment on the Ranger, and we're running into some issues with the lift and the suspension, and we're trying to work that out. And we've got the man Dakota getting that done. Now, guys, Dakota is no stranger to the channel. You've seen him in a ton of our videos. Huge instrumental part of getting the Project 144 machine back together. You saw him on our New England UTV Rally video. Again, been in a ton of videos. Now, guys, here's a little bit of an update for Dirt Exhibition. Dakota, who is the Razer wizard and can literally fix anything.
And when I say anything, I mean
was working on some machines, and obviously we have this shop up, and now we are going to be working together to offer this shop to you guys for maintenance, repairs, custom work. So again, huge news for Dirt Exhibition, but this is what we're going to be seeing. It's going to be seeing machines in the shop, getting some work done. For the Danger Ranger over here, we got the alignment going and trying to work out some suspension issues with the shocks. But yeah, guys, so that's it. Let's show you what we're working on and get the video going. Let's take a quick look. Now, hold on.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
You guys are going to have to let us know in the comments. I'm sorry, it's a little sunny, it's a little bright right now, but you got to let us know in the comments. If Dakota had long hair, hold on. If Dakota had long hair, he would be our very own Doug Butterfield.
Because we're the same person.
That's right.
If you guys don't know who Doug is from Side by Side blog, you know, he's the go-to guy over there as well. And we've got our own with Dakota Butterfield. And then we have a Rich, but Rich is like, they've got a Rich and they've got a Nick Seuss. We've got a Rich Seuss. Let's give you an update on the Ranger. So the Ranger has a fresh set of XComp ATRs. They're 35s on the method wheels that we had initially on it. And the lift kit is a high lifter, 6-inch lift, and then we've got some ZBroz shocks on it. One of the issues that we were running into is one of the axles. Which side axle was it?
Passenger side.
The passenger side axle was popping out pretty much on the regular when we were going for rides. So we're going to be looking into it and just adjusting some things and seeing what we can do to make this thing up and running and perform a little bit better of the way that we want it to. Looks a little better.
Yeah, not bad. I mean, that axle still in. This axle should be still in. Yeah, both axles still in. You have to remember, that lower control arm was out about 3/4 of an inch. So it's pulling the axle out of the transmission.
Yeah.
So now they're turned in 3/4 of an inch, everything's straight. Spin it around and try it front now.
All right, guys, it is lunchtime here at the shop, and we're blessed to have amazing hometown tacos logos right down the road so we can have some good tacos. But real quick, I just want to talk about how awesome it is to have Dakota on board here. When we were growing up as kids, Dakota was the guy that was always working on bikes, then dirt bikes, four-wheelers, and then now side-by-sides. We are big believers in having the right people on your team, and Dakota is the #1 guy as far as we're concerned to have here at the shop. So again, yeah, it's just awesome to have him on board. Lime. If you guys don't put lime in your tacos, you are messing up. Just some carnitas tacos right here. So good. Be right back. Beans, rice, it's amazing. So good.
using a string to go around all 4 tires, the string trick, to align your wheels. What you want to do is run it all the way around the machine evenly all the way up, and you want to see if there's a gap from front to back. So if this tire was kicked in, the string would be off the tire to the string. We went around, we adjusted all the front tire rod ends to bring them in or out, and then you want to measure, find a point of interest on your frame to your wheels. And I like to go about 1/8 of an inch closer in the front of the machine instead of the rear. So when you step on the gas, they open up a little bit. We came up with our measurements. The front driver's side tire was out a little bit. There was a gap on our string. We brought it in. We took our measurements on our tires again. They all within 1/16 of an inch. And that's how you align roughly in your own garage and with string.
Welcome back to the day 2 of this video. A little bit of a multi-day video here. We are winding down on our Larkin Motors Foundation raffle Razer project. That's been going amazing. So thank you guys so much for supporting that and supporting the Larkin Motors Foundation. Earlier in the video, you saw Dakota here working on the Ranger. And now, guys, we have this 2021 Razer Turbo that is available here. We picked it up for a decent deal. It's for sale right now. If it sells, good. If not, it is a blank canvas for you guys. If you want a custom build, this one already has some Super ATV doors, some Raceline wheels, some Canati TerraMaster 32-inch tires. What else does it have? It has the light bar, it has the MTX audio sound bar, and let's see. That might be it. Oh, it's got the Razer Click 6 harnesses. I don't think that came stock with this machine, but we like those. That's what's in the Turbo S, and that's what's also in my Pro XP as well. So we like those harnesses. We feel like they're decent. Obviously, you can't go wrong with the PRPs. We have that in the Larkin Motors Foundation build. But yeah, so this could be a blank canvas for anybody who wants a custom build, because we are also going to be offering those services here at Dirt Exhibition in Rainham, Massachusetts. So if somebody wanted a custom cage, they wanted it wrapped, they want to completely sit down and go over a custom design, we could do that, especially if you've seen our Project 144 machine, our Pro XPs, the Larkin Motors Foundation build. That's the kind of work that we're putting out here, guys, in Massachusetts. So if you're interested in any services like that, or if it's the end of the season for you and you just want some maintenance over the winter, some routine maintenance or even some upgrades or repairs, guys, if you sent it a little too hard during the season, we will be open for that, guys. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy the channel, if you enjoy watching the videos, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Helps us out a lot. We appreciate it. And also like the video. Drop us a comment. Let us know what you think. And we'll see you in the next video, guys.